Hi, I'm Stacy, and today I'm going to show you how to make some lemon poppy seed muffins. Now, this is a really great muffin recipe. They're so full of flavor and so refreshing to eat. So the first thing that I'm going to show you to do is you take 3/4 cup of granulated sugar, you pour that into a small bowl, and combine the zest of 2 lemons. So the reason I'm doing this is going to enhance that lemon flavor as the lemon zest starts to infuse the sugar. So I'm just mixing this up and setting this aside while I combine the rest of the ingredients. Okay, so with that, I need to take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Just give this a nice stir, and now it's time to add the wet ingredients. So I have 2 eggs, a 1/2 cup of melted butter, 3/4 cup of sour cream. You can use plain Greek yogurt if you'd like. I have 3 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Okay. I'm going to use my Danish dough whisk at first just to get this mixed a little bit. Now I'm going to add the infused sugar with the lemon. And continue mixing that until it's all incorporated together. This is a really thick batter, and that's why I'm using the Danish dough whisk. You can use a regular spoon if you want. Okay, everything is well blended. So I'll set that aside. And now it's time to fill the muffin cups. So I have some extra large muffin cups here, and I'm just going to fill them up half full. I do like to use my ice cream scooper because it just makes the job a little bit easier. The muffin cups are half full, and now I'm just going to place this into the oven at 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. This is going to be barely browned on the top, so you don't want to overcook these. They're not going to be a deep golden brown color, not like we're used to anyway. So I will be right back to show you the final step. The muffins are finally done, and so while they're still hot, it's time to make a lemon glaze and drizzle it over the top. So to do that, just combine 1 cup of powdered sugar and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Just whisk this all together. Now just start to drizzle it over the top. I like using the whisk because it kind of gives that drizzled look. This glaze will now start melting into the muffin, just giving it a nice crust on top. Anyways, thank you for watching, guys. I hope you have a great day. Bye.